I'm in socks.
I'm wearing shoes. How about that?
Don't turn around.
Brian, let's go. Brian, let's go. Tripper standing everywhere right now. Teddy's everywhere right now.
Yeah.
Shooting fucking ping pong balls everywhere right now. Everywhere. Brian, you don't want to see the ping pong balls going everywhere?
Nah, man, you wouldn't be in shit right now.
Bro, she's stopped right now.
Dude.
We've been there for fucking 45 minutes. 45 minutes!
God!
My nipple hurt.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go eat some pizza.
I'm gonna take his phone.
Oh my god. So that's the end of our night. We need to stop before we get kicked out of this hotel. Okay, let's go. Okay, so he went in there. Whatever. How about I stop my key? I think we need to kind of go incognito. I think he knocked on a few people's doors. There's Ken.
Oh my god. I'm fucking puke. Man, too much, man.